Hello everyone. When you use Katana Decoder, the following actions will be dangerous. First, before you insert the tool, make sure push the blades to the bottom. Otherwise, the tool will stuck. If you insert the tool without the protection, of course, your tool will stuck and it is dangerous. Second, you must fully insert your tool before you turn it up. You can't stop. You can't stop here like this. It's not fully. And please insert fully, completely. Okay. If it's not fully insert and you start to turn it up, your tool will damage. And fourth, sometimes you push or take out the blades. It's not smooth like this one. When you push the blades, it's not smooth enough. And please don't be panic and don't use too much force. What you just need to do is vibrate up and down a little bit. Okay, vibrate, and at the same time push the blades to the button, and you can easily take the tool out of the lock. And the last one, generally speaking, our Katana Decoder products not support ignition lock valve. Our products only support door lock, so please stop try ignition lock. That's all.